I do it because I like to see the impact that I can create. I like to create transformation, not just short-term motivation or inspiration in people's lives, but literally help transform their lives so that they can change the legacy of their family's future.
You're also an extraordinary philanthropist. Okay. How do you feel when you give someone something? What is that exact feeling that you get, and why does it keep you going?
Well, I think in transparency, it's a selfish act. I do it because it makes me feel good,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
If it didn't make us feel good, how often would we really be doing that? And so I think at the core of it is because it fills me up and it makes me feel good. But beyond that, I also see that there's the golden rule, there's Greek philosophy. All of it says that it is part of the formula for success. And if I can help somebody else with a leg up, then you have karma, right? That goes into that. And so I do it because I like to see the impact that I can create. I like to create transformation, not just short-term motivation or inspiration in people's lives, but literally help transform their lives so that they can change the legacy of their family's future. Be that an inner city, be that a minority, be that any area. I'm indifferent to that if I can help support making a difference in their life. Owning and running in creating a foundation, however, is a pain in the butt. And so when people come to me and say, "Oh, you've created a number of foundations, I want to do that," and my response to them immediately is, "Don't, unless you absolutely have to.
Right.
Go attach yourself to one that already exists that complements what you want, and just go serve." And if you find that you have no choice but to start a foundation, then you can, because it's a whole different level of responsibility that is thankless behind the scenes, right? That's all administration and asking for donations and the operations of it. Going out and serving, that's the fun part, right?